For over a week now, I've been trying out this strategy and it has been giving me a very good winning rate. I've been taking 10 trades every day using this particular strategy, and I always have a winning rate of about 70, 80 and 90%. That is to say, out of my 10 trade, I often have 7, 8 and 9 winning rate using this strategy, which is actually a very good one. That is the reason why I have to come right here to share it with you, so you all can also try it out to make a very good amount of money in the market. I want you guys to know that every strategy I often shared on this channel, those are the strategies I personally tried out and it has been working pretty much well for me. So do ensure you try out this strategy on your demo account for a couple of days. Practice it well to have confidence on the strategy before you can apply it on the real market. This strategy is a very simple one, very accurate and also very powerful based on my experience. And so far I was able to move my account from $8,000 to $7,000 using this strategy. This strategy comes with just 3 indicators. We're going to be making use of alligator indicator, the RSI and the momentum indicator. Those are the 3 indicators we're going to be using with this strategy. So for those of you that are yet to know where to get your indicators, you're going to come over to this section. This is where you're going to see your indicators. So the first indicators, as I've said, is the alligator indicator. We're going to be using RSI indicator and also going to be using the momentum indicator. So the settings of our alligator indicator comes with the just period of 15, the just shift as 7, the tooth period as 10, the tooth shift as 6, the ellipse period we're going to be making it as 5, while the ellipse shift we're going to be using 4. Right here on the style level, on the ellipse period we're going to be using a green color. I'm going to be using it on 1 pixels, while on the tooth period we're going to be using a red color. I'm going to be using it on 1 pixels as well. The just period we're going to be using it as blue. I'm going to be using it as 1 pixels. When you're done with all these, then you can hit save. With our RSI, it comes with the period of 13. Right here on the style level, we're going to be leaving this color just like this. I'm going to be using it on 1 pixels. When you're done, just click on save. Right here with our momentum, it comes with the settings of a period of 10. Right here on the style level, we're going to be using the up section, which is going to be a green color. The down section is going to be a red color. Then when you're done, just click on save. So with this strategy, I'm actually trading it with 15 seconds candle time frame. I'm going to be using the normal Japanese candlestick. Not only that, guys, I'm going to be trading this strategy on 1 minute. So guys, I want you to know that trading involves a lot of risk. So you must be able to trade using a very good risk to reward management, because in my previous videos I always made mention of that. Anytime you're trading, do ensure you're trading with the amount of money you can lose in the market, and do ensure you don't risk more than 1 to 5%, at most 10% of your capital on each trade you are taking. I hope you're getting that right. So right here I have $7,000 in my trading account, and I'm going to be entering each trade with $500. That is below 10% of my trading account. So do ensure you trade using a proper risk management, guys. So guys, for you to better understand this strategy, I'll have to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we're looking out for a very good opportunity in the market. So you can see we're having a very good confirmation right here. So we want our alligator lines to all intersect each other before we can be able to take a trade. Hope you're getting it right. So let's wait for the next candle. So right here, guys, we can take a trade right at this particular level for a buy trade. Now this is what you need to be looking out for anytime you are trading using this strategy. The first thing you need to see is the consistency of a candlestick. I always made mention of this in my videos. Anytime you want to trade, when you find the consistency of a candlestick, that is to show that the market is pretty much ready to go towards the direction. If it is in an upward direction, it's ready to go in an upward direction. And if it is in a downward direction, it's ready to go on a downward direction. The next thing you also need to put into consideration is your alligator indicator lines. The lines has to intersect each other. All lines has to intersect each other. Not only that, your RSI indicator has to be moving from the oversold condition towards the upside direction. Once you also see that as well, your momentum should also be another way of considerations. Your momentum has to be printing out a green colors right at this particular point, giving you another good confirmation to enter a buy trade. I hope you're getting it right. As you can see right here, guys, we smashed in a very good profit right at this particular level. So this is what you need to put into consideration if you are going for a buy trade. So guys, let's find another opportunity in the case of a sell trade. So guys, right here we're looking out for a selling opportunity right at this particular point. As you all can see, we have a consistency of a candlestick building up right here. So what we're looking at right here is our alligator line. This is the major indicator we have to be looking out for. The two lines has to properly cross each other. Immediately we see that, then we have to take a trade. As you all can see right here, everything is pretty much building up. Our RSI indicator is moving from the overbought condition, heading towards the downside direction. As you can see right here, let's actually enter for a sell trade right at this particular level, guys. So you can see right here, candlesticks are pretty much stable. The alligator lines all intersect each other. Not only that, our RSI line is moving from the overbought condition towards the oversold condition. And as you can see, our momentum is building up, giving us a red candle, showing that the market is pretty much ready to go on a downside direction. Hope you're getting it right. If you follow all this instruction, definitely guys, you're going to be making a very good amount of money. I really want to let you guys know that if you want to take a trade, your momentum and also your alligator lines are pretty much important. You need to put that into consideration. In the case of a sell trade, your momentum should be printing out, that is to say, should be moving from a green candles into a red candles. Situation whereby the momentum has actually built up in a very much larger form. Before your confirmation are being met, please do not take a trade. You are only taking a trade immediately your alligator line intersect each other and your momentum candles are just building up, confirming the trend before you can be able to take a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again for another trade. When I find another opportunity, guys, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we should be looking out for a buy trade right at this particular level. So let's actually wait for the next candlestick to print out before we trigger our buy trade. So it has to be a bullish candle. So right here, guys, let's enter for a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. As I've said the other time, before you can be able to take a trade, your candlestick has to be pretty much stable. And not only that, guys, your alligator lines has to all intersect each other. Your RSI also has to be moving from the oversold condition towards the overbought condition. And do not forget, your momentum indicator has to be building up, giving you a very good confirmation before you can take a trade. So guys, this is a very powerful strategy, guys. I've been trying out this strategy, as I've said, for over a week now, and it has been giving me a consistent winning rate. As you can see right here, guys, we make a very good amount of money right at this particular level. So guys, I want you to try it on your demo account. When you have enough confidence with this strategy, then you can be able to go into the real account. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this video. If you like this video, do ensure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, and do ensure you share these videos to your loved ones so they can also enjoy what you are enjoying from this channel. Till I see you again in another video, guys, keep trading, guys, and bye for now.